Hey guys, Tech Detective here. Today I'll be going over ShowBox version 5.09, which has been specially modded to have no ads. If you want to see the full list of modifications made to the APK, I'll put it on the screen now. If you're not familiar with ShowBox, it has an amazing collection of movies and TV shows, which you can watch absolutely free. You can also download them for free on your Android device and watch them offline, which is absolutely amazing. So as always, I'll give you a quick overview of the APK and show you how you can get this. So let's do this. When you first start up the APK, you'll quickly notice the beautifully designed layout, which was the first thing that caught my attention. We can see on the top left that it actually defaults to the trending tab, which I will show you how to change in a second. And the initial layout is actually quite nice because it gives you a quick overview of the movie news section, the trailers, top movies, and TV shows. So if you're on a Fire Stick or Fire TV, you actually might have noticed that you can't actually watch YouTube on your Amazon device because it was actually removed at the start of the year. So this APK is actually a good way to watch upcoming movie trailers. And if you want to find out how to get the original YouTube back on your device, I can show you how if you click on the link on the top right. So yeah, we can also see the menu icon on the top left. So let's go ahead and click that. And as we can see, we have a ton of categories: trending, movies, TV shows, news, trailers, favorites, downloads, new releases, and settings. So we're currently on the trending tab. To just change the tab, just click on the next one. So movies, for example, and it gives you a list of all of the movies that are available for you to watch. On the top left, next to the menu bar, we have a search icon. And then to the far right of that, we have a filter that we can organize our content by. So we can sort by rating, the date it was added, and the rating on IMDb. You also have genre, and you can see a ton of genres that are available for us to search through. And we have year as well. So if you want an older movie, then you can go back in time and just search for it that way. Let's go ahead and click into a movie. On the left, we can see that the movie artwork is there. Then we have a brief synopsis of the actual movie itself. We also can watch the trailer. There's an option to watch the trailer. So if you want to get a feel for what the actual movie is like, you can click it and it will ask you which player you want to use. And then you can go ahead and watch the trailer via your player. On the top right, we can add to favorites. So let's go ahead and do that. On the far right, we can click the three dots, choose the quality of the movie, choose the server that we want to have. If server A or server B is not available, that probably means that you're being geo-restricted, in which case you might have to use a VPN and connect to a server in US. So I'm not familiar with the VPNs, but I believe Opera is a free VPN you can use, and maybe Windscribe. But yeah, so all good. You also have an option for subtitles. So you have a ton of subtitles you can choose from. You can also disable subtitles if you don't want any, which is pretty good. Let's go down. We have an option to stream the movie, so you can just watch it right now, or you can download. I wouldn't recommend downloading simply because it uses torrents, especially for the people in the UK, so do not download, just stream. Yeah, okay, let's go back. Let's go into TV shows. We can see that the layout is pretty much the same as the movie section, except for we're missing the year filter. So I think that's all right. Let's go ahead and click into the Big Bang Theory. Scroll down. Yeah, we can see that it lists the episodes in seasons. And on the top right, we can select which season that we want to watch, which is pretty cool. All right, let's go back. Let's go to the news section. Yeah, so if you want to keep up to date with all the movies, but you don't want to go onto the internet and search for 30 minutes trying to find what's relevant and what's not, this gives you a nice quick digest of all of the movies, upcoming movies, all of the articles about all of the movies. So we've got some article about Shazam. We have how the Green Lantern Corps can't be a part of the DC Guardians of the Galaxy. We have Jungle Book. I mean, it gives you a nice list of all of the popular articles for movies and TV shows, which I think is pretty good. Altered Carbon renewed for season 2. Nice. Oh no, Anthony Mackie takes over as lead. Sad days. All right, let's go down. We can check our favorites by going into the favorite section. So this is my favorite shows and movies. We have a download section as well. We have new releases. Usually there's a number next to it that shows you how many new releases there are, but because I've checked all of them, it's pretty much disappeared. But yeah, let's go ahead and click into that. Let's go to movies, shows, and my favorites. So if there's any new releases for Power, it'll put it into my section and you can check it through there. So I think that's a good way to filter the content. And let's go over the settings. There's not that many settings, but if you like to keep up to date with your TV shows, you have two options for that. So if you want the APK to download your episodes automatically, you just tick the box, and then you choose either one of these two options. Do you want to download your episodes while you're in a Wi-Fi zone? That means if you're out and about and you're connected to a Wi-Fi zone, it might actually just start downloading an episode, which might not be good for you. So I would recommend the second option, which says while your device is on charge and in a Wi-Fi zone, because usually when your device is on charge, you're usually about to go to sleep or you're doing something else while your phone's just like resting. So yeah, but normally I wouldn't use any of this, to be honest. Yeah, this is also where you can choose your default player. So if you click into that, you can choose VLC, Android player, or other player. I'll leave mine on VLC for now, since it's a pretty good player. And yeah, now I'll show you how you can get this. To get this APK, all you have to do is go into your device security settings and make sure that your unknown sources box is checked. If you're on Firestick or Fire TV, I believe you can't download APKs directly, so you would have to download an app called Downloader and input the link that you see on the screen. On mobile, just click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you to this page here. And then all you have to do is click the big green button which says download. If you found this useful, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you enjoy my content and wish to stay updated, make sure you hit subscribe. It is absolutely free. And let me know what you think of this APK in the comments below. So as always, I'll see you in the next one.